Wanted to give you a couple quick tips for drywalling. First, if you use the plastic mud trays, just throw them out. They're terrible. They take forever to clean because you got to take the inserts out. They rust, and it's a pain to clean. So upgrade. I know these are $6, and it looks like a good deal, but upgrade to the stainless steel pans. This is a Marshalltown stainless steel pan. It's laser welded on the edges. There are some that are folded over. Don't get those. Make sure they're laser edged on the corners, because that way if you have the folded over edges, then the mud will get stuck inside the corners. So don't get that. Make sure it's stainless steel so it won't rust. It's easier to clean. But this is the tip. Stainless steel is kind of hard to hold because it's slippery, especially if it's been wet or have mud on it. So this is the trick that I like to do. So to make the pans less slippery, what you need to do is get something that you can put on here so it's kind of a grip. Now some people use stair treads. I don't have that, and I didn't want to buy a whole roll of stair tread to cover this with when I just needed a little bit. So what I did was I had actually 180 grit rolled sandpaper, and the texture of it felt kind of like a tread, and it wasn't too rough on the skin. If you go any less than that, you're going to start tearing into your skin holding the pan all day. So I got this 180 grit, sprayed it with a little Super 77 adhesive on the back, and then I just put it right in the middle. Now make sure you don't go all the way down at the bottom. And the reason I say that is because when you're holding it, you don't want the sandpaper to wrap around the corner, because it's just going to irritate your skin, and it's going to rub your skin. So try to keep it up as high as possible. And then you just do that on the other side, and then you'll have a nice grip to hold on to when you're drywalling. Those are a few drywall tips that I've learned over the years. I hope this helps you on your next project. You know, I probably need something like those after school specials, The More You Know theme song, but we'll work on that next time. Good luck and happy baking. And if you'd like to see more videos like the one that you just saw, you can check here and here. And remember the ABCs of making. Always be creating. Till next time.